Hey guys, just want to make a video on a product that I really like. These EBC brake pads. They're great. They cost a little extra money like pretty much everything else that I post, but they work. The only downside of these, if they do, loud noises, they do create a little bit of brake dust. So if that bothers you, don't get them. But if I'm more for performance. And these cost me about $165 to do my rear brakes on my truck. Each application is a little bit different in price, but yeah, these are great. So if you're looking for something for performance, get these. They come in red, green, and yellow. The red is more for your sports cars and stuff. It's those are pretty, they wear out pretty fast. I wouldn't recommend them for everyday driving. I like the yellow. Um, they stop really well. And for the guys out there with that tow with their trucks, get with the green. They stick with the green. But all three of those create brake dust. The green's less, yellow's more, and the red is horrific. But like I said, you can clean your wheels, but you can't make that vehicle stop any quicker. So this is the alternative to going and buying Willwood brakes or Brembo or something. These will make them. This will make your vehicle stop. All right, thank you. Have a good day.